this tonight. I know. Hey, Dad, pull over. We need gum.
I'm on it. Oh, honey? Here's some money.
What do we got here? Hello. Patient has a fractured fibula, given a mild sedative, so he can be able to go in tomorrow.
Daddy's gonna be so excited.
All good. That killed him.
Paging Dr. Palm.
Look at the cute dog.